Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your calibrate touchscreen option is missing from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung kinatawag na command prompt. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter to command keyword na msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. So, yung device diagnostic ay one word po yan. And then, copy lang natin yan. And then, paste natin dito. Ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-press yung enter. And then pop up itong hardware and device. Okay, so ang susunod ay click mo lang tong advance. And then dito sa advance ay check mo tong box na apply repairs automatically. So check mo lang tong box. Ang susunod ay click mo lang tong next. And then wait natin na complete yung scanning na detecting problems. Okay, so complete na po yung pag-scan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin ditong mag-restart. So click mo lang tong start menu and then click mo tong restart. Okay, so if the problem still persists, do this another solution. So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung human interface device. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay hanapin lang natin dito yung HD compliant touchscreen. Okay, ito siya. So dito sa HID compliant touchscreen, so, click mo lang ito, and then right-click, and then kailangan mo lang ditong i-update yung driver. So, click mo lang itong update driver, and then pop-up tong dalawang options na search automatically and browse my computer. Okay, so, select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then select lang natin itong search automatically, at makita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. And the next step, so close lang natin ito, and then kailangan ulit lang natin na mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang itong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-calibrate ng touchscreen missing in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.